OK. Next command is Edge Blend. In Menu, Insert, Detail Feature, and Edge Blend. Or you can find it in Ribbon Bar. Also you can move and keep the mouse on this edge. And select this edge, right-click and select Edge Blend. OK. Very good. As you see, the main body is shown in transparency and you can see the fillet in better situation. Now again in continuity, by default is G1, tangent, you can see its preview. OK, change it to G2, curvature, and see the new fillet type. OK, it's very good. G2 type is suitable for styling design and also used by industrial designers in aesthetic methods. Change it to conic, and you can see the new shape of fillet. First method is boundary and center, select it. In boundary radius and center radius you can choose your desired value. By write its numbers, or move and drag its arrows in graphic area to do it. You can see the limitation of fillet that makes on this edge. OK, it's very good. OK the command and finish it. And change its fillet radius, test it more and more, it's very simple. OK, it's very good. Move and drag the point on graphic area and see the changes. Now change the corner setback to include with corner. OK the command and see the new type of fillet, it's very good.
OK, next command is Edge Fillet, run it and in Edge Fillet definition dialog box. First in Object to Fillet. You must select a edge in graphic window, for example select this edge. OK first method is radius. Change the radius value and see it in graphic window, click preview icon to see the fillet result. OK. Select intersection method and then select this slot 3D pad shape in selected features box, do it and complete the job and click preview. Rotate the model and you can see all intersected edges in this two features is filleted. OK, it's so good. Check it out completely in graphic window and then see all its operation. And then see its preview. Also there are two variation method, cubic and linear, test both of them. Try to do it and complete the job, test it more and more. Now to add more points to variable fillet method. Right-click here and select Create Point. Now in Point on Curve method, select here on Edge. And make a optionally point on this edge. Try to do it and complete the point creation, and OK, so good. You can see the third point is added and again double-click and define a new radius value to this point. Try to do it and complete the job and now preview, again test the cubic and linear types of connection. Do it and complete the variation fillet method and see its operation in graphic window. OK, it's so good. And OK the command, so good. Again edit the command and then increase the radius value to 3 and then OK the command. You can see the error message, and this time use the edges to keep option, here. And select this top edge of this shape, and OK the command. Good. This option used for this kind of fillet and bodies. OK, run the fillet command again and this time, here. Select these two edges from this cylinders, select both of edges, radius is 1 mm, and OK the command. Again you can see the error message. Back again to the command and this time use trim ribbon option. Active its checkbox and now you can see the new shape of your fillet. Test a distance and with preview icon, complete it and OK the command and see it's different with previous. Test many different values and check it out. OK. Tritangent fillet. In dialog box, it's enough to select two faces, and no need to define any radius value. Do it for this two faces, and you can see the middle face is removed. OK.
In Engineering tab. In Ribbon. First command is round. Find and run the command, OK. Now in dialog box, drag and move it and you can see the new shape of round. OK, it's very important and powerful option. Try to do it and test it more and more. Double-click to each radius and write your desired values. Do this for each one. Repeat this operation to the 3 different radius. And now you can see the new shape of round in graphic window. Test it more and more by other many different values in radius. Click and then in graphic window. Choose this curve that created before. And now you can see the shape of new round. OK, try to do it and complete the job. Check it out in graphic window in many different views. And change its parameters. Also you can change its type to conic. And now change its parameters on conic type. Try to do it and complete the job. OK, it's very good. Select these two faces. Press and hold the control button. And then click on full round icon. And then select this other flat face. OK, very good.
In the Fillet Parameters tab, default is symmetric type, and radius of fillet is 10 mm. First change the radius of fillet, and see their changes on your 3D model. Then, select the asymmetric type of fillet. Now you can see the situation of fillet. Change the distance 1 value. For example, the first is 20, second is 50, and third is 80. You can see the changes on your model. Then, edit feature, and select the keep surface, and OK, or straight transition. Select these types. OK, very good. And the last fillet type is full round fillet. Select the first face. Then select the second face. And select the third face. No need to fillet radius. And the fillet is complete.
OK, find and run the fillet command, and in dialog box, in constant tab, and mode is edge, check it out. OK. In edges list, click on this edge, and see the fillet preview, in radius, here. You can write your desired fillet radius value here, test it by several different radius values. OK, it's so good. Try to do it and now in graphic window, drag this arrow to change the fillet radius value. OK, it's so good. Test it more and more and see the result. Also you can click here to add a new point on this selected edge. Add a new point on this edge and change its fillet radius value. Check it out in graphic window and see it. It's so good. Also you can change the position of new added point. Define a number between 0 and 1. Check it out in graphic window more and then, click on Setback tab, and select this corner vertex. Now in this list, change the setback value for each edge, and see the new result fillet shape. Okay, so good. First select this face as face set 1. And then select this face as center face set, and then select this face as face set 2. Okay, it's so good. No need to define any fillet radius value, as you see the fillet is completed.
Now select this edge and apply, and then, you can see this handles and fillet radius. OK. Drag and move this handles and change the fillet radius on each corner separately. OK, it's so good. Try to do it and complete the job and check the fillet shape in graphic window more and more. It's good. Next command is fillet surfaces. Run it and then, specify the fillet radius. Try to do it and complete the job. OK, it's so good. If necessary change the extend and trim options to yes, set and check the fillet radius again. And select first surface, and then second surface, and you can see the fillet surface in graphic window. OK. Check it out again and test it on this other edges. Try to do it and complete the job and finish the process.
Next command is fillet. Run it and then, click on radius option in command line. Radius by default is 0. Change it, for example 2 mm. Press enter and apply. Now select the first object, for example this line. And second object, here, and see the fillet. OK, again test it on this other corner and check the result. OK. Try to do it and finish the job. Check it out completely in graphic window. OK, it's so good. Also you can use the fillet command to connect these 2 lines, run it and change the radius to 0, OK. And then select these 2 lines, and see the operation of this command in graphic window. OK, it's so good.